Del here, and this scene may appear a bit chaotic, but we're trying to organize it, and I'll just start with what's closest to me. Got a couple of seedless rye here. These are my favorite. We've also got pumpernickel rye and the deli squirrel rye. And you might ask, well, what are we doing with all of this bread assortments here? Well, we're sort of distributing them. And I get invited at Christmas, and it's a large group of people, so we've got plenty of people that, and we're just trying to organize. Here we've got these brioche, which I kind of like, and they're the kind of top-loading buns that are good for maybe sausage, or I like these plant-based hot dogs, so we got a few of those. We've got some Pepperidge Farm soft white, which are the hamburger buns, with grocery prices, which I think have like tripled in the things, especially the things that I like. Here's more Pepperidge Farm, and this is this again the top slice type of things for hot dogs. What do we got over here? I think this is the
That's the Hawaiian section.
This, and here's Pepperidge Farms. Yeah, this is the Hawaiian area. And again, you got the hamburger buns, the hot dog buns, and
We got something kind of cool here.
yeah, these are our mini bagels, and I think are these the whole wheat? Let's see. Nope, these are the brown sugar cinnamon. You see, they're not real big, but boy, these are. If you like brown sugar, I like the whole grain kind. We got these, and we got another package here. They're the larger variety, larger size, and this is again this is cinnamon raisin. So this first one was brown sugar cinnamon, and this is cinnamon raisin. So they're a little bit different. And
We have sesame right here as well.
we also have sesame. We didn't get, I think, too many packages of these. These are hamburger buns, nice and fresh feeling.
As far as sesame, we have hoagies.
And then here's for the hoagie sandwich. In a little bit different style of bun. They're a little bit bigger for like a sliced kind of sandwich with meat and so forth. And again, all Pepperidge Farm.
As far as hot dog buns, we have this is top sliced soft white.
Okay, there's the top slice, which the hot dog style items that I eat. There's different flavors of it, and it's plant based. So that's what I use. These are compatible with that. There's compatible with regular hot dogs, meat hot dogs, plant based hot dogs, whatever you want. So
This is side sliced.
oh, these are something to do with side sliced. Oh, okay. So I thought, okay, as opposed to the top sliced, these are side, the traditional way.
These are for sausage buns and broths.
These are for brats. Again, the Pepperidge Farm sausage buns, they're calling it. So everything is just a little bit different, all nice and fresh feeling. And I haven't checked the due dates on these things, so I'll just take a quick look at one on random here. And what is that, right by my thumb there? What does that say?
January 23rd.
That's a little bit outdated, but you keep them in the refrigerator. I haven't had a problem with it. And some of these are ahead, but we just picked one at random and got burned a little bit on that. It is a past due date, but
If we move over to slider size,
yeah, that's another
we have
thing
the
that
butter buns.
we haven't mentioned so far. The sliders, these are the real small size. So if you got children, the young ones, that give them smaller hamburgers, these would be perfect for them. And made with real butter, butter sliders, mini buns, they call them. Again, with the Pepperidge Farm.
That's the butter variety. This is the soft white.
Okay, so that's with the real butter, and then here's the more regular kind. soft white.
Then when they get bigger or grow, this is a hamburger size soft white.
So we got the sliders, and now we got the hamburger size.
And this is also the butter variant.
Now the larger, you got the sliders butter, and now you got the larger variety butter. So whichever your tastes are there, they've got a lot of variety here.
And then leaving the best for last.
We only got 2 loaves of this. This is wheat bread, and it's looks like the Great Value brand, and so this is kind of nice. And my hands are kind of fuller. I just pick another due date. Can't see it offhand easily here.
Here, I could take a look. We're looking at February 26th here.
So that's
Or February 28th.
That's in the future. So that's more of what I expected to be, because a lot of times when I check the due dates, it's ahead in the future. Let's see. So we got pretty much the bread
Yeah.
kind of triaged and sorted and so forth.
As far as brioche goes, we have top sliced buns.
Oh yeah, the brioche. I think wasn't that one of our first ones.
Yeah.
So here we got the top sliced buns again. That option.
We have burger.
And we got the burger buns, brioche.
And then these are rolls.
Oh, rolls. Nice. Oh, I picked these up out of the pile on purpose. I was hoping to keep those.
Yeah.
Distributed in quotes. Some things sort of remain, but okay. So
That's about it.
okay, so we've gotten through that, giving you a little bit of an idea. So long for now.